Good day, everyone. My name is Marijon Igot. Today, I'm going to be discussing or demonstrating about this binary tree traversal. So, what is tree traversal? A tree traversal is a specific order in which to visit the nodes of a tree. Okay, now there are three common tree traversals. So, what are these? So we have in order traversal and pre-order traversal, and the last one is the post-order traversal. So I'm going to discuss this one by one. So first, we're going to discuss about in order. In order traversal. So when we say in order traversal, in order, the traversal is from left, then followed by root, and then right. So which means to visit a tree, first visit its left subtree, then visit the root, and then visit the right subtree. So okay, so let's take a look at an example here. So this is a binary tree. So this is a binary tree because the root has two siblings, which is the left child J and the right child M. Okay, so remember the traversal is left, root, then right. So let's start here, which is A. So this is the left child of B. So let's start here. A, then followed by the parent node, which is B. Next, we're going to the right node. But since D here has also a child, which is a right child, E, but take note, D doesn't have any left child. So which means this one will be the next in the sequence. So after A, B, so next is D. And then followed by the right child here, which is A, E. Okay, so again, A, next is B, then D, because there is no left child here. So, and then next is E. Now after here, let's proceed with J, which is the left child of the root key. So J, then since J here doesn't have any right child, so again let's proceed with K. So K. So after K, let's proceed with the right subtree. So which is here. Now this is the right subtree. So after K, so again we're going to the left. So which is L. Now followed by the parent node, which is M. And then we're going to the right. But since O here has also two child, the left and the right, so let's going to start here. So after M, let's go with N. Then after N, it's O. Then we're going to again to the right nodes. But since S here has also a child R, and child R has also a child P. So which means after O, we will go down to the bottommost node here. So which is P. So after O means it's P. Then followed by R, and the last one is S. So again, first is A, then B, Next is D, and followed by E. Then going up, it's J, then K, then L, next is M, next is N, then O, next is P, R, and S. So our final solution would be this one. So A, B, D, E, J, K, L, M, then N, then followed by O, then P, R, and S. So this is the final solution of the n-order traversal. Okay, so next, which is the pre-order traversal. So when we say pre-order, so the traversal is from root, then going to left, and then lastly going to right. So meaning, to visit a tree, first visit its root, then visit the left subtree, and lastly visit the right subtree. So again, let's take a look at the same example. So remember, root first, then left, then right. So we should start here, K. So K, so next is down to J, then down to B, next is down to A. So after that, after left, yes, we're going to right. So since our first is root, since D here is a root of A, so we're going to take that first. So after A, next is D, and then E. Then after A, so let's proceed with M. So M is the root here of these two child here. So M, so again E, then M. Then down to left, which is L. Then let's proceed to the right. So then U. Okay. Then N. And after N, S. Then R. Then P. Okay, so again, let's start here. No, let's start here. K, J, B, A, D, then E. Next is M, then L, then O, then N, then S, R, then P. So our final solution would be this one. So K, J, B, A, D, E. The next is proceed with letter M, to the vector M, and then L, then U, then N, then S, R, then the last one is P, which is here. Okay, that's it for the pre-order traversal. So next, the post-order traversal. So when we see post-order, so the traversal is left, then followed by right, and then the last would be the root. So meaning, to visit a tree, first visit its left subtree, then visit the right subtree, and then finally visit the root. Okay, again, so let's take the example. So remember, left, then right, then root. So we're going to start from left, which is A. So A. Next we're going to right. So next is E. Okay. Then D. So next is the root B. Okay. So next would be J. So after J, let's proceed with the next, which is here, left from here. So L. So after J, L, then we're going to the right. So since there are many rights here, so we're going to the right. So we will take this one, N, and then again we're going to the right. So let's proceed with P. Okay, and then followed by going up R, then S, which is the root of these two, and then O, then M, and then the last one is K. So see, left, right, and root. So again, this A, then followed by E, D, then B, then J, then L, then N, then P, R, S, O, M, and the last one would be the parent K. Okay, so our final solution would be A, then E, then D, then B, then proceed with J, then L, then N, then to the bottommost, the P, the R, the S, the O, M, and finally the K. Okay, so that's it. That is post-order traversal. So this is our final solution here. And thank you very much. So once again, my name is Marijon Igot, and good day.